Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to transform a kitchen with white countertops into a stunning and functional space using a variety of components. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to give your kitchen a fresh update, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Scene 1, Layout and Planning. Before we begin, it's essential to have a clear plan. Take measurements of your kitchen and decide on the layout that works best for you. Now, let's bring in our first components, the white kitchen cabinets and white countertops. These will set the foundation for our design. Scene 2, Installing the cabinets and countertops. Our white kitchen cabinets are here, and they're ready to be installed. Make sure to level them properly for a seamless look. Once the cabinets are in place, it's time to add the stunning white countertops. Ensure a precise fit, and don't forget to seal the edges to protect against moisture. Scene 3, Sink and Faucet Installation. Next up, we'll install the stainless steel sink and kitchen faucet. Position the sink in the cabinet cutout, secure it in place, and hook up the plumbing. The kitchen faucet goes next, providing both functionality and a sleek look. Scene 4, Adding the range hood. The white range hood not only helps with ventilation but also serves as a striking focal point. Carefully mount it above the cooktop, ensuring proper clearance and ventilation duct connection. Scene 5, Backsplash and Lighting. Now, let's elevate the kitchen style with the white backsplash tiles. Apply adhesive and carefully set the tiles in place. Once the backsplash is complete, it's time to enhance the ambience with pendant lights and under-cabinet lighting. These will provide both task lighting and a touch of elegance. Scene 6, Appliances and Accessories. Our major components are in place, and it's time to bring in the appliances. Place the refrigerator and oven in their designated spots, ensuring they are level and operational. For added convenience, let's install the dishwasher to ease the burden of dishwashing. Scene 7, Organizational Components. A well-organized kitchen is essential. Install cabinet handles and knobs for easy access. Next, add the pot and pan organizer inside one of the lower cabinets, maximizing space and keeping your cookware tidy. Spice racks can be mounted on the inside of cabinet doors for quick access to your favorite spices. Scene 8, Storage Solutions. To further enhance storage, let's add white floating shelves above the countertop. These can hold kitchen essentials and even some decorative items for a personalized touch. Don't forget to add a kitchen garbage bin to keep the space clean and hygienic. Scene 9, Utensil Organization. Lastly, let's add a wall-mounted utensil holder near the cooktop. This will keep your essential cooking tools within easy reach while adding a practical and stylish element to the kitchen. Conclusion: and there you have it, a beautifully decorated kitchen with white countertops using a variety of components. Remember, with a little planning and creativity, you can transform any kitchen into a space that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating!